This week's SmartBook chapter review and assignments cover Chapter 16, Control Systems and Quality Management, Techniques for Enhancing Organizational Effectiveness. You'll be required to complete the following assignments: SmartBook chapter review for Chapter 16, the quiz for Chapter 16, PlayPosit, and assignment group project survey, comprehensive final. It is due Friday at 11:59 p.m. All assignments and the comprehensive final are due on Friday of the week ending, and I will not accept them late. The comprehensive final, study guide, and sample questions can be found in the comprehensive final tab. The comprehensive final is open and will close this Friday at the end of week 8. The university is requesting you submit an idea evaluation for this course. The university uses your input to evaluate and gather data to improve teaching and learning. I will use your input to improve the course offering. Each semester, the idea evaluations are part of my semester review and are important to me. You will benefit future students by giving honest, constructive comments, just as you have benefited from previous students' honest, constructive comments. I would appreciate you giving an explanation of any comments you make. If you really like some aspect of the class, please try to be specific as possible. Same thing if you didn't care for some aspect of the class. The more specific, the better my action plan for improvement. As an incentive, I will offer a bonus point for every 10% of class participation. So, if 10% of the class participates, everyone gets 1 bonus point. If 50% participates, everyone gets 5 bonus points. If 100% participate, everyone gets 10 bonus points. I will only be able to see the number of submissions, and I will not be able to review any results until after the semester is over. I never know who submitted or how an individual responded. I see aggregate totals and individual comments, but I cannot tie them to individual students. So let's take a look what we have here this week. I'm going to come down here to week 8, and we have instructor guidance, and you're watching the video, and then here's a podcast that covers chapter 16, which I think you'll find helpful. And we have the PowerPoint, the SmartBook, we have the quiz, we have the PlayPosit, and then we have the group project, which I'll select the group project here and open it up. And this is a survey on your attitudes about this particular project. And so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And you'll see a video here. I strongly recommend you look at the video. It'll tell you a little bit about why I'm doing this survey, and also how to interpret this and how to mark your answers. So spend a few minutes viewing that video before you do that. And then let's take a look here. And then we have the comprehensive final. Okay, the comprehensive final study guide. You can open that up and it'll tell you the questions or the areas you need to be familiar with. This will give you some sample questions, and this is the comprehensive final. So you select that. You may take it one time, and it has to be turned in by the end of week 8 by Friday at 11:59 p.m. I've enjoyed having you in class this semester. If you're on campus in the near future, stop by and say hello. I always like to put a face to a name. You may contact me using messages or by email, myers-d@mssu.edu.